Okay, next step we need to, the side here got a small clips. We need to hold it and pull out the machine, same as the another side as well. And also the bottom here got clips. We need to hold the plastic area and pull out the main machine. Alright, so next step is going to remove the brown ribbon cable. So there has black clips, so just lift up the black clips, then the ribbon cable will be pulled out. Alright, so just put the machine on the side. And next we need to do is we need to find out the small touch ribbon cable. Alright, so this is the screen unit. Right, so here, this is the touch ribbon cable. This is the original big brown ribbon cable. Now here is the black clips. When you push it down, the ribbon cable locked. When you lift it up, the ribbon cable unlocked. Alright, so now we need to release the touch ribbon cable. So there, the top part here is the black clips. Just pull it out a little bit. Pull it out a little bit, and then the ribbon cable will be able to remove that. Alrighty, so for the next step is we take out the ribbon cable circuit board pack and install the ribbon cable. This is a display ribbon cable, and the smaller one is the touch ribbon cable. Alright, we can remove this one, just pull it out before. On the circuit board pack, just lift up the black clips and then insert the original ribbon cable into the circuit board. and then put the small blue and white ribbon cable into the display screen slot. Alright, and then push back the brown clips. Now it has been locked very tight, and make sure they're all horizontally. Okay, and now we need to release this ribbon cable. Same way, lift up the black clips, and then the ribbon cable will be able to release. And put this one into the screen side, insert into the slot, and then push down the black clips to lock it. Now it's very tight. Alright, I think now we can put back the cover. Now trying to put it back. Don't forget all the small plugs, they are all very important. Okay. Alright, so next step we need to put back the ribbon cable pack, and we put all ribbon cables into the circuit board. Okay, so this circuit board, this side face out here, and put all the ribbon cables back. The brown ribbon cable going to this slot. It is very important. So insert the brown ribbon cable, makes the golden touch point face up, and then push down the black clips to lock the ribbon cable, and put the white and blue ribbon cable into this slot. Same, insert the ribbon cable, and then push down the black clips to lock it down. Okay, and push it. Cool. Now it is very tight, and the 3M sticker is ready to use. Alright, so the ribbon cable, blue ribbon cable going to this side here, and the brown ribbon cable going to the another slot here. Now so here, the brown ribbon cable going to here. The golden touch point have to face up, and also the white and blue ribbon cable insert into the slot here. Then push down the black clips to lock the ribbon cables. Then there has the 3M sticker is ready to use. Okay, we need to put this circuit board near here. And also this ribbon cable going to this slot here. Just insert into the ribbon cable before. Insert the small ribbon cable going to the black slot. Alright, so insert this cable into here. It's all done. Now the main process has been done, and then the rest of the jobs is just put all plugs into the circuit board and head units. So this is the touch cable, one side into the circuit board, and another side going to the box. This one going to the touch port. And also this is the LVDS cable, same as the small touch cable. One side going to the circuit board, another side going to the LVDS port. And here is the main wiring harness. This is the plug, main power plug. This side going to another side of the box, the power port. Oh, before we do this, don't forget to put the small antenna into the box, so it can increase the phone connection. Alright, so that's everything on the box. On the head units, this plug, the blue cables, this is a microphone plug. Put that into here. And another one is the power plug. Put this next to the microphone plug. We also has this one. This plug is going to the CD player. It's no CD player with the machine at the moment, but it's on your car. Put that one into your CD player, and as well as this 6-pin plug going to CD player, dark blue port as well. Dark blue port is this color. It is a dark blue port going to CD player. Alright, so when you first time power on the car, you will see this interface. Just need to follow in each of the point to do a touch calibration. Okay, now you got the CrownFocus system. Okay, so now let's do the phone connection. Bluetooth, and press CarPlay. The Bluetooth signal name is CrownFocus 8D2B. It will be different on your device. If it doesn't show up over here, just switch off your Bluetooth and switch on again. Now we got it, CrownFocus 8D2B. Press pair, press allow. Now it shows up connected, and then just wait a couple seconds. Alright, now you go to the Apple CarPlay. Same process as the Android Auto connection. Make sure your phone Wi-Fi is switched on, phone Bluetooth is switched on, and doing the phone connection. Connect the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi will connect it automatically.